Are you afraid to start investing? In today's video, we will take a look at the 3 most common reasons why people don't start investing and some tips to help you defeat those reasons. Stay tuned! What's up guys, welcome to a new video and happy Halloween! Before we get started, leave a comment what is your biggest fear about investing. If you want some tips on how to get over the fear of investing, I'll show them at the end of this video. Let's now get started with the number 1 reason people avoid investing. I'll lose all my money. One of the most common reasons for people to avoid investing is the fact that they think that they are going to lose all their money. There have been many stock market crashes in the past, which makes investing look like you could lose all your money. Media doesn't really share us stories about those that become rich with investing in the long run, but they make sure to let us know when the market is crashing and everybody is losing all their money. So, are you going to lose all your money if you start investing? Most likely not, unless you manage to invest in all those companies that go bankrupt. But if you invest in S&P 500 fund for example, you are not going to lose all your money. If we take a look at S&P 500 total returns per year, during the 2008 financial crisis, S&P 500 index crashed 37%. This is the largest crash in the near history. We have to go all the way to 1931 to find a larger crash, which still is only 43.34%. And those tough times only last for a short period of time. If we include both of these crashes, the S&P 500 still has an annual return on investment of 6.2% if adjusted for inflation. So yes, everybody loses money at some point of their life, but in the long run you can expect great profits. Reason number 2. I don't know who to trust. It can be hard to know where to invest when everybody tells you different things. Don't invest today because recession is coming. Your friend tells you to go all in with Bitcoin and suddenly it crashes from 19,000 to 10,000. Your neighbor tells you to never invest in Tesla and suddenly it jumps 20% in one day. So who should you trust then? Probably no one. Never invest because somebody tells you to do so. Always make sure that you really know why you are investing. So when some random guy on YouTube like Finest Finance tells you to invest in S&P 500, don't do it without critical thinking. Investing might sound complicated when everybody is telling you different things, but in fact you can easily build yourself a set and forget kind of investment portfolio that takes care of itself. Reason number 3. I don't have enough money. A lot of people think that you need a lot of money to start investing or to make any profits. I made a video last week where I show you that you can start investing with little money. How convenient! Anyways, if you don't want to go check that video, let me quickly just tell you that no, you don't have to be rich to start investing, and yes, everybody can make money with investing, not only those Wall Street millionaires. With the right broker, you can start with very little amounts of money, and investing only $20 a month can make you tens of thousands in the long run thanks to compound interest. The most important thing about investing isn't to have a lot of money, it is to start as soon as possible and to continue as long as possible. So those are the 3 main reasons why people don't want to start investing. Let's now take a look at how you can overcome the fear of investing. Imagine that you are sitting on a plane 12,500 feet above ground level. Suddenly the guy next to you says that you have to jump with a parachute. You have never jumped before and have no idea how to do it, so how would you feel? Scared obviously. There is no way that you're going to open that door and fall 115 miles per hour towards the land. But what if you had taken some courses before and jumped hundreds of times before? You wouldn't even hesitate to open that door and you would enjoy every second of that free fall. Unless that parachute doesn't open, but you can worry about that later. Anyways, the same goes with investing. Most people are afraid to start investing because they have no idea what they are doing. So grab yourself some investing books or take online courses and start educating yourself now. Or start investing with very small amounts so you will learn how investing works and become more confident with investing. It is important to start as soon as possible because compound interest makes a huge difference in the long run. If you still aren't ready to start investing, there are some low-risk investments that you could consider. You could start investing in 401k and Roth IRA, or start saving X amount every month into a savings account that offers an annual interest rate of 2%. While savings account isn't really investing because you could basically lose money thanks to inflation, it is a great way to build yourself an emergency fund. Once you feel secure enough, you can start investing in the stock market. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose. While it is unlikely that you're going to lose all your money with investing, you don't want to invest money that you're going to need in the next couple of months. Only invest the money that you don't need in the near future. Patience is key. Everybody will lose money at some point of their lives, but in the long run you can expect to profit. Just build a set and forget investment portfolio and you can enjoy a stress-free life while your investments keep on growing. So those are the most common reasons why people avoid investing and some tips on how to overcome the fear of investing. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button to help my channel grow and subscribe for more videos. Make sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments. Have a great Halloween and I'll see you in the next video.